it up, don't give up. Every problem has a way. Side by side, try again. Teamwork saves the day. Diggy shines in yellow bright, on orange dirt in morning light. Rocky's ready, blocks in view. Let's build a tower, sky high too.
Uh-oh, stop, something's wrong. That magenta block is way too strong. Stuck by the fence, won't roll away. Rocky size, not my thing.
Build it up, don't give up. Every problem has a way. Side by side we try again. Teamwork saves the day. Sky high calls from way up high.
Push and tip, I'll lift just right.
Hook goes down, the block goes free.
Up it flies, get right in.
Click, clack, blocks align. Tower's tall and feeling fine. We did it all together. Hey! Teamwork wins! Hooray, hooray! Build it up, don't give up. Every problem has a way. Side by side we try again. Teamwork saves the day. Build it up, don't give up. Every problem has a way. Side by side we try again. Teamwork saves the day.
Time to start building. Let's get digging.
Ugh, another day, another load. Where do you need the dirt, Diggy? First, we dig the foundation right here. Then, Rocky, you haul it all away. Dig, dig, dig. The foundation must be strong. Full speed ahead. Off to the dumping zone.
I am ready to reach the sky and raise the beams. Which block first? Sky High lifts the first building block with precision. Perfect alignment. That's how we build them tall. Digging, hauling, lifting. Laying. We build together. Y-E-S. We built it together.
Perfect fit. Another block goes up. Gotta keep the supply moving. Ugh.
Precision digging. Every millimeter counts.
Thanks, Diggy. Just what I needed for the foundation. The view from up here is fantastic. We are making great progress.
Almost perfect. There.
Woohoo! Foundation complete. Best dig ever. Woo! Ugh, heavy load, but I can do it. Steady, steady.
The team gathers for the final piece. The amazing gold capstone block. And up we go. The final ascent.
And the gold capstone for a job well done. Our tower is built, perfect and strong, exactly where it belongs. 3 honks for a fantastic job. Woohoo! That was the best build ever. What a beautiful day to work. Hauling and driving, we got it done right. Strong foundations make the structure tight.
Precision and height are my greatest skills. Look how beautifully those blocks align.
All clean, ready for the next adventure.
Teamwork makes the dream work. What a wonderful day of building!
See you next time, builders!